Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an elephant puppet. So let's start. The materials are scissors, a pencil, colored papers, googly eyes, glue, and of course a paper bag. So let's start. First, get the paper bag, then glue some googly eyes. Next, cut a tiny strip of paper, then fold it and make a tusk. Now let's glue these. Now let's do the other one. Now let's make the trunk that is shaped like a big J. Then let's attach this. Now let's cut a small piece of paper. Now let's cut 3 thin strips. Now let's glue these. Here. Now let's make the head. First, fold a strip of paper, then cut it. Then measure it with this, then put a mark right here, then cut it. Then fold it in half, then make a half circle. Let's cut it. Then put some glue here and stick it to the back. Now let's make the ears. Simply fold the paper like this. Now let's cut half a heart. And when we open it, it's a heart. Now let's get this blue one and fold a bigger one. Now trace this heart, but make it 1 centimeter bigger. Then let's cut it. Now let's cut both hearts in half. Now you glue the pink one into the blue one. Now let's glue these to the head. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!